Well, right before Easter this year, I had an assignment for Optimar. It was an event video and photo case, and I was so lucky to be with them, spread over 3 days. And for us video nerds, this is kind of a rush project, which gives you a headache and back pain, but it's quite worth it.
So my name's Linda Wood and I'm the Aquaculture and Fisheries Manager at Marks & Spencer's. I'm actually in Ålesund right now in Norway and really taking part in a fantastic welfare week being hosted by Optimar.
We have seen Optimar stunners in a range of different aquaculture sites, and it's been great working with Optimar to take that to other industries such as the sea bass and bream industry, farm shrimp, and also wanting to take that into wild capture. The wild capture is important in Norway for the sustainable and high quality seafood, and the increased use of electrical stunners in the wild capture industry and on board vessels is something that we're working on, as well as recognising the importance of animal welfare in other species such as crustaceans.
Hello, my name is Andrés Jiménez Orrilla. I am one of the co-founders and the CEO of Shrimp Welfare Project. We are an organisation focused on promoting higher welfare standards and making sure that shrimps are treated more humanely, and a very important component of the value chain is the moment of slaughter, for which we have now acquired this electrical stunner manufactured by Optimar.
We firmly believe there is a link between the welfare of the fish and the people with good business. It's not a cost. There's opportunities to do things better.
It's just been a massive display of collaboration between real scientific research and industry. They are working towards the same values, with the same goals, all trying to tackle a topic which is incredibly complex.
It's been really good to understand the innovation, and it's been a really open and transparent week with lots of questions answered, and we've got many more still to answer too.
It's been a fantastic experience. I think it's been a moment in time for us all, and I think we'll all look back on this time as the start of a process that really making a change to the welfare of seafoods.
Well, that was for Optimar, so please check them out on Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube.